This is Dheeraj Mahajan, 10x GCP certified, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will let you know how this AI will help you in reducing your workload and help you in making the presentation out of that. We all know that when we talk about the artificial intelligence has many subset of branches. So if we talk about the machine learning is the subset of your AI, and inside the machine learning we have a deep learning, which is also subset of your machine learning. Inside the deep learning we have a NLP, natural language processing, that work on your neurons. If I say neurons, it's a neuron network. Just simply like as we talk to your human beings and we are in discussion with the human, they will reply as it is, what you are expecting. The concern is that these models are trained with the very large data sets. They will provide the information, the data set they have trained for. They don't have any information for data set they are not trained for. Very important. So in this video, I will let you know how this artificial intelligence tool, literally I talk about the ChatGPT, right, will make your life so easy when you try to produce your any office work, when you try to produce any documentation for your office work, for any technicality issues you are facing in your day-to-day life. Let us take a case. Some of the concern of the GKE architect. Being a GKE architect, it's very important to know at what time we will get an upgrade. What should be the upgrade strategy? How should we specifically choose for the channels? What should be the specific roles? What should the specific IAM roles to be required? What should the best practices to be implemented? How should we specifically think of upgrading the GKE cluster? How should we choose cluster auto scaling? How should we choose the node auto provisioning? These are some of the various factors that comes in the mind when we talk about architecting the GKE. The most concern about the selecting the node size based on your requirement. So in this video specifically we will talk about how we can get the whatever the content we required, how we get it from our ChatGPT or any AI tool that is specifically based on your prompt engineering. Prompt engineering means is a value-added engineering specifically based on your context. How you produce the context, it will reply accordingly. The context is very important. When you try to chat with the ChatGPT, you must have that context available with you, which will provide you the right answers and right context. So in this video I will let you know how to write the context, and with this context we will keep getting the chain reactions. With the one answer we will ask again, on particular answer we will ask the question again and we will get output. And for demo purpose I will just ask this ChatGPT of some of the steps that is required for me for upgrade and some of the basic best practices that I required, and in the end we will create one PPT presentation based on our question. So just a small demo which will help you in specifically doing your work right and doing your work very intelligently. I have some prompt available with me. Let me take some prompt. I will copy that. So I am writing here. I am in the prompt. I am just copying. I am the solution architect. I need a step-by-step process to upgrade GKE cluster and apply the maintenance policy. Let me add channel for GKE cluster should be stable, right? So I am selecting the stable channel, right? I am not selecting any of the static channel. I am setting the release channel as a stable. So also cluster must have all the best practices implemented. I need to enable the application level secrets to encrypt the secret. Let me put the spelling. Let me put the spelling here also. So encrypt secrets and use manage service for Prometheus to enable the cube state matrix. When you talk about cube state matrix, specifically matrix used to get monitoring for your CPU, memory and other metrics based on your objects like deployments, daemon sets, containerization, pods, all these things that we will able to get the CPU metrics and memory metrics based on your deployments you have already applied. So I need to ask a question. Let's see how ChatGPT respond. You can see ChatGPT trying to update the memory, which I have some of the question I have asked previously. So it is just giving here the step by step. It is providing all the steps. You see, first step it is providing how to step and upgrade a GKE cluster. Set channel to be release channel to be stable. Ensure that GKE cluster is subscribed to a stable release channel. Cluster update. It is just updating the cluster, right? Check for available upgrades. Any upgrade is available. Gcloud container get server config with the zone. Upgrade for master node first. Gcloud container upgrade cluster -- master if you want to do the master upgrade, right? Since the master is control plane is totally managed by the Google, but is giving the step also. Then upgrade the node pool. Gcloud container cluster upgrade the node pool -- node pool name. Define the maintenance window, specify when maintenance to be performed. So it is you have to provide the maintenance window, maintenance and maintenance recovery across time. At what maintenance window you should go for your upgrade of your cluster, right? Define period during which the maintenance should be avoided, right? So you are defining the period in which the maintenance should be avoided. That particular time you don't want to maintain it. Implement best practices. So it is asking enable the node auto repair should be there. Enable auto upgrade should be there. Enable cluster auto scaler. Workload entity should be enabled. PPC native should be enabled, and enable the application level secrets should be there, and enable the application level secret encryption. It provides all the specific Gcloud commands that specifically used for your updating your GKE cluster. Use manage service for Prometheus. So it is asking to enable the monitoring.google API. So once you update that, so it will ask you to specifically using some of the hem commands. So it is just trying to add some repository on top of that. So after that it is installing the Prometheus cube metrics using the hem command. So once it is installed, it will provide you some of the pods running and the deployments running based on your deployment, right? So it is asking enable the cube state matrix. In the YAML you have to be just keep it enable equal to true. The following upgrade you will upgrade your GKE cluster and use the stable release channel applied to the maintenance policy. So it is asking if we have a release channel as a stable, so what should be the process? How do we enable the GKE cluster step by step? So you can test these steps at your end and try to do that. After that, right? After that, so once you check for the upgrade is available or not, you will just apply the command for the upgrade, right? So most important thing, control plane is totally managed by Google and node should be managed by us, right? So if you choose a release channel rather than the static, any other release channel that is specifically based on your stable or any of the release like a stable channel, right, or rapid channel or any other channel you have chosen, right? In that case, so your node pool should be managed by the Google only, and you will update your node pool on the maintenance window. So you can select the maintenance window, so your node pool get upgraded automatically on your maintenance window. So that's very much important how to set up these things. So let me ask based on this. Based on above steps, kindly create a PowerPoint presentation. I need to show this presentation for any conference purpose. I'm asking if I need a presentation, so I need to show this presentation for conference purpose. So please provide me the presentation on above step. So sometimes you provide all the steps to the client, and some client asks you to, so what should be the applied. So based on this, so you can ask for the PowerPoint presentation that you required, and you can show it to your clients accordingly with the what are the steps you have guided the customer, and it will take just around 5 minutes to create your presentation. Let me go through that. So it is analyzing the step, right? So ChatGPT will take it. So this, with this video you can able to see how it become easy for any of the prompt engineering guys to create any presentation, PowerPoint presentation in seconds, right? You need to provide the right prompt. Once the context is clear, they will provide your right update. Right, context should be clear. Once you provide the right context, that is very much important in this ChatGPT context. Context should be clear and out. What we are talking is a clear context should be there. It will take some time. So after analyzing this, it will create a one PowerPoint presentation, right? So it will reduce your all handy work. So you go to PowerPoint presentation, go for the Google, search for the specific steps and just try to create PPT. So it would take around, at least take around your 1 or 2 days for proper presentation. So with this you will get the whole presentation, just modify accordingly and just give it to your specific clients as per their requirement. See, it has totally, I have created a presentation, you can see. If I go and I can see PowerPoint presentation is here, right? So let me go to the downloads. It will take some time, and it has given me the right time. It is 6:55. Yes. So let me open this PowerPoint presentation with the so PowerPoint presentation get created. Let me take you to the 1 second. So I have PowerPoint presentation is now available. Let me move the window to the see. You can see. You can see the PowerPoint presentation here. You can see. So step by step guide is there. So accordingly, just it is created just a second and create a PowerPoint presentation for you, right? And accordingly you can maintain, you can just go there. If I go for the slideshow, right, you can see that. You can see there a PowerPoint presentation is available, which will help you give up all the steps. You can accordingly you can create your PowerPoint presentation and you can provide that. It's just a demo with ChatGPT how we can create a document in a seconds, right? So this is the power of ChatGPT. If it is used rightly, so it can do any specific thing that. So thank you guys, thank you for watching the video, right? Kindly like and subscribe if you like that. Thanks a lot. Thank you.